Hey guys, I'm at a restore. I've shown this one once or twice before. So the restore I used to work at closed, and this is the one that opened in its place, but with a different staff, which is one of the reasons why I'm not involved anymore. Like, all the people that hired me and all the people I used to work for are not part of this restore. But some of the volunteers transferred, so the guys that I trained for fans and lights, some of them are still here. So I thought this was kind of cool. Contractor Concord. If it's less than, how much is it? 20. I'm kind of tempted. I like footprint, so I thought that was kind of cool too. I don't recognize it. This, for a new fan, I thought that lamp is really cool. Oh, it's sold. That's all I see for now. Okay. Thank you. So here's the lighting. Oh, this is cool. How much is this? Oh, not 60, not for me. Now, if I'd been involved in this store, I would have had them install some fans. There's no fans installed. So, okay, thanks for watching.